What is your fortune for the Beaver Full Moon? My name is Sheila from Satin Crystals, and I thank you for subscribing to the Satin Crystals channel if you love videos about crystals and astrology. Now today we are discussing the Beaver Full Moon, which begins in November and is a 30-day cycle ending in December. Depending on where you are in the world and what time you're watching this, you might be watching this in the future, will determine exactly when the Beaver Full Moon is shining. So make sure to look up when this is happening. And at Satin Crystals, we always keep you updated so you can sign up for the VIP email list and you will be updated every single year. I also suggest that you save this video because you're going to want to come back to it next year and refresh yourself on what to do during the Beaver Full Moon. Now, the Beaver Full Moon is all about the productive beaver, and the crystal that we recommend that you use this month, you can see here, is tiger's eye. So combining the confident energy of the tiger with that productive, busy energy of the beaver will bring you success during this lunar cycle. Today, I'm going to read you your forecasts for the Beaver Full Moon. So your abundance forecast, your love forecast, and your spirituality forecast. So stay tuned. You will get to know all of those forecasts and what crystals we recommend if you want to enhance each of those areas of your life this coming month. I'm first going to read you your abundance forecast. The beaver is persistent, productive, and resourceful. To construct dams, it must maintain a good work ethic of cooperation. Beavers are called nature's engineers because they are intelligent busybodies. In this full moon cycle, adopt the beaver mentality. Make decisions that benefit your entire clan. Form partnerships and teams. Start a home improvement project, a special investment fund, or a business venture with trusted partners. The dark, cold days may tempt you into complacency, but that's not what the Beaver Full Moon is about. Those who keep busy are generously rewarded with abundance. Those who do nothing will find themselves in icy waters. Now I'm also going to show you the 3 tiger's eye stones that we recommend using if you want to focus on your abundance forecast this Beaver Full Moon. The 3 different types of tiger's eye, the shapes that we recommend you use if you're working on abundance this lunar cycle, are to wear your tiger's eye bracelets. So these are a symbol of your success. Tiger's eye is all about business success, so wearing these will remind you of your goal. You're using your hands to carve out that manifestation that you are seeking. We also recommend that you wear your tiger's eye rings. So these are also focusing in on that business success, getting things done. They're more fine-tuning your projects. Just like the beaver is building his dam log by log, you want to make sure that you have all your details in place so that you are building that empire rather than just floating around with a vague idea in the universe. And lastly, we recommend that you have your tiger's eye tumbled stones with you. So these you can place around your work area. You can grid them around your office space. You can carry them in your pocket. Tiger's eye stone is all about building that confidence so you can exude the courage that is necessary to go about building your goals for your future. Tiger's eye tumbled stones. Your love forecast. The Beaver Full Moon is ideal for falling in love. Beavers are team players that understand the power is in numbers. If you are in a committed relationship, team up with your partner on a special project. Spend extra time together. Cuddle up and get cozy because winter is on the horizon. If you are single and ready to mingle, Get yourself out there. Mates will be attracted to people who are proactive. Show off your skills and confidently display your talents. This draws in the perfect potential lovers. To experience the best love energy for this lunar cycle, I'm going to reveal the top 3 tiger's eye that you should be using. If you are focusing on enhancing your love forecast this lunar cycle, we suggest surrounding yourself with tiger's eye animal figurines. As you're surrounding yourself with this good company, this good energy, you're telling the universe that you're open for more of this kind of energy. So you can attract the friends and relationships that you are seeking by surrounding your energy or your space with tiger's eye figurines as you're channeling the energy of each of these animals, or if you have tiger's eye gods or angels around you, channel it all in so that you're surrounded by this positive company. We also recommend tiger's eye earrings, as a lot of things in life come in pairs, a lot of good things in life, that is. So you want to wear your tiger's eye earrings, help balance that yin-yang energy within yourself. It is also enhancing your courage through the tiger and your brains for the beaver. So combining these 2 energies is something you probably need in the dating pool, or just love, to maintain love in general. Beauty and brains, wear your tiger's eye earrings. And we also recommend working with your tiger's eye heart stones, as the heart symbolizes, of course, the heart chakra, the love energy, and tiger's eye is that enduring, powerful love. You can hold these while you're doing your love meditations, your love manifestations, or of course, gift them to those you love, enhance that bond. Your spirituality forecast. The way to spiritual satisfaction during the Beaver Full Moon is to find meaning in the small things. Develop your joy for the small tasks of life, which eventually lead to larger manifestations. Beavers find deep pleasure in interpersonal connection. Over the next 30 days, take comfort, solace, and joy in your clan. You will discover happiness within your family and among your friends. Now, to increase the spiritual satisfaction, we have 3 different tiger's eye shapes that you can use. If you are focused on your spiritual development this lunar full moon, we suggest that you use a tiger's eye pendulum to be decisive so you can get the answers that you are seeking instead of wallowing in indecisive inactivity. Use your tiger's eye pendulum, get straight to your subconscious source, get the answers, and get moving. We also suggest that you wear your tiger's eye necklaces. These envelop your aura in that warm, friendly energy, attracting those around you. Because during this Beaver Full Moon, you want to be seen, you want to be out, you want to be mingling, you want to learn lessons from those around you, especially people who have gone through some lessons that you can learn virtually, which you may not want to particularly learn yourself. You can learn from their wisdom. And lastly, we suggest you work with your tiger's eye spheres. Tiger's eye spheres are great for crystal ball gazing, crystal ball meditations, gathering those spiritual visions that you may use for your future. So work with the tiger's eye spheres. They fit perfectly in the hand. Larger ones have even more energy. Smaller ones you can take around with you, a little bit more portable. So use your tiger's eye sphere for your spiritual enhancement. Which area of life are you going to be focused on this Beaver Full Moon? I would love to hear your experiences if you have used tiger's eye for this lunar cycle before, Or if you have any questions, comments, you have stories to share, do post them here with the Satin Crystals community. We love to hear what you have to say. If you need Tiger's Eye for this Beaver Full Moon, make sure to head over to Satin Crystals, as we have a whole collection of natural Tiger's Eye, from red Tiger's Eye to honey to hawk's eye to golden Tiger's Eye in jewelry and gemstone form. Also join the Satin Crystals VIP Club. It's free, it's fun. Every week we send you crystal healing information. Thank you for liking this video, subscribing to our channel, and always spreading your positive joy into this universe.